Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Siddharth and it's too hot in Delhi. I feel like as if I will melt. And I'm back to solid state. Now I think I should just start this video again. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Siddharth and I make book related videos on this channel. So if you love books, you have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the topic of today is most talked about Indian authors. Now these are the Indian authors that always manage themselves to be there in the news, and not only on news but also on social media. Now these authors, whether they do something or they don't do something, you guys can kind of see them everywhere. So we are going to move that legacy forward and we are going to talk about them even more. So let's get started. The first author is Shashi Tharoor. Now he is very famous Indian politician and he is also the member of parliament Lok Sabha in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Now mostly because of his political background he is always there in the news, but if we look forward and look at the books he has written, then you will come to know that because of his books he is also in the news. If you notice, the kind of books he has written are kind of different, are kind of unusual from what our regular writers write. His books talks about how disastrous British rule was for India. His books portray the image of contemporary India from the perspective of late 2014. And not only this, he has also written a book which talks about the thoughts of young member of Indian Parliament. And he has also written a book on Nehruji, which is great. I believe he has way with words. He can portray the darkest theme with subtle humor and lightness, and I think that is the reason for his widespread popularity as an author. Next author is Nikita Singh. She is from Patna, Bihar. Currently she is in New York doing her master's degree. Her first book was Love at Facebook, which she wrote when she was 19. I believe she has written 11 books till now, and she has also co-authored many books with well-known famous Indian authors. Well, we all know that she is into heavy studies, and yet she is still able to maintain her writing career, which is very much commendable and brilliant on her part. She mostly writes romantic fiction like love, hatred, depression, heartbreak, and her latest book is like a love song. Next author is Chetan Bhagat. Now why is he so talked about author? Well, the answer is simple. He is an author, TV personality, motivational speaker, TV screenwriter. He is the only Indian author whose books get circulated way before they get published among the filmmakers or the movie makers or producers in case they want to buy the rights to make a film on that book. And this happened recently with the book Half Girlfriend. Its rights were sold way before the book got published, I think, which is very much commendable. It shows that how much creative and how much he knows about his audience. Next author is Anand Neelakantan. Now the reason why he is in the news is because of the type of books he writes. Now he is one of those very few Indian authors who dare to just deviate from the usual path and write books on Indian epics like Ramayana or Mahabharata. Not only this, he also draws cartoon for Malayalam magazine, and being impressed by his work and his intelligence to grab his audience, the makers of Bahubali actually asked him to write 3-book series which will be prequel to the movie Bahubali, and the first book is out, which is The Rise of Shimagami. And not only this, the list is very long. He also writes TV series such as Siya Ke Ram, Chakravarti, Ashok Samrat, and Sankat Mochan Hanuman. The fifth and the last author who is always there in the news is Amish Tripathi, and the reason is again same, because of the type of books he writes, and mostly he picks the genre of mythological fiction or religious topics. You know, Amish Tripathi has this ability that he puts gods into a frame where everybody wants to know about them more and more. You know, like younger generation or like the upcoming generation are not into that, into religious stuff, but with the books of Amish Tripathi, they all are eager to know about our gods and about our religion and how these gods were come into existence, which is very, very good. He has written a Shiv trilogy in which he portrayed the whole story of the Lord Shiva, and currently he is writing Ramchandra series in which he is portraying the whole life of Ramchandra, and the second book in the series is also out, so go ahead if you still haven't bought that book and just read it. So these are the authors that I regularly see on news, in newspapers, on my social media, and I'm sure there must be a lot of other authors whom you guys see on your social media. So do let me know about them in the comments down below. I'm waiting for you guys there, and also do let me know how did you guys find this video. If you guys wish to connect with me on my social media, then you guys can follow me on my Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram account. My links are all there in the description box, so you guys can have a look.